Hi friends! Today we are making a sweet and sour strawberry cake. You will need 10 ingredients for this recipe. First, let's coat our springform pan with butter, and then place parchment paper at the bottom. Next, preheat the oven. Now, let's prepare strawberries. Take half of the strawberries and dice them into small pieces. For the rest, slice them into halves. Once this is done, set them aside. In a large bowl, put eggs and sugar, mixing them for 5 minutes. You will notice the mixture becoming lighter and thicker. Add yogurt, oil, and banana, mixing until well combined. Mix together flour, baking powder, and salt. Sift the flour mixture into the egg mixture, mixing on low speed until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make the cake dense. Pour half of the batter into the pan, spreading it evenly. Sprinkle the diced strawberries over the top. Then pour the rest of the batter over the strawberries. Arrange the half strawberries on top. Cut side down, pressing them slightly into the batter. Now it's time to bake the cake. Once the cake is done, let it rest in the pan for 15 to 20 minutes. Remove the ring. Since winter strawberries can be quite sour, sprinkle some powdered sugar on top to make it sweeter and prettier. Voila! Our sweet and sour strawberry cake is ready to enjoy.